Today we are at the 11th Annual Openness Awards, and we will also be seeing the 87th Stephen Paget Memorial Lecture.
The Sir Colin Blakemore Award was presented to Professor Emma Robinson of the University of Bristol for her determined efforts to speak out about the importance of animal research at a time when the university was under intense scrutiny and pressure from activist organisations. This year, we gave out 2 Openness Awards, one to the MRC Laboratory of Molecular Biology for their public engagement events, one inviting friends and family of staff into the laboratory, and another for the general public. The second Openness Award went to the University of Manchester for their debate held on campus named Culture of Care or Culture of Concern. Let's debate animal research. Manchester invited speakers from 3 different organisations to discuss their views on animal research in a public forum. And lastly, the Association of Medical Research Charities received a highly commended award for their public communications around how much of AMRC members' funding goes towards animal studies. To finish off the night, Professor Robin Lovell-Badge delivered the 87th Stephen Paget Memorial Lecture, describing his groundbreaking work in the discovery of the SRY gene mechanism for embryonic sex determination, and the role of the SOX family of genes in sexual differentiation and its related disorders.